Ew. What? Uh-huh.
Somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Excellent.
Toothbrushing chart. This is interesting. Yes. Wow. Cool. No. Huh. So.
Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Let's go. Heyo. Ew.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah. Hooray. Let's go. Whoa. Brush your hair so easy.
Oh no.
Brush your hair so it is always nice and soft. Oh yeah. Take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Wear clean clothes, clean socks, and you are ready to go. Brush your teeth. Good job. Always. Aha. Great! Good job!
What's that? What's that? What's that sound?
Yeah.
Creepy and so loud. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there. Or maybe it's coming from up here.
Wow!
Wow!
Fantastic!
Don't
Ew!
worry, she will help.
Oh.
She so yes. Our officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around? No, no, you're acting no good.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Nobody can get me.
Oh dear, it's not far along. She is coming, you'll see.
Wow!
Blah, 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 blah.
Hmm. Aha!
Five minus 2. 5. 2. 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Whoa! 3 plus 2. 3. 2. 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Aha!
2. 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Excellent!
When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up high. Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not healthy
Whoa!
it's picnic time. Healthy
Fantastic.
snacks
Wow!
Help me
Head,
carry them
hair,
pretty please.
nose,
A super
eyes,
railway will carry
mouth.
everything.
Whoa! Aha!
Papa's on any slide.
Yeah!
Be so hard. I don't wanna go to school today. Hey Blue, come over here. I am scared they will know I'm not there. I have a trick to show you. Don't be scared. Magic remote control.
Good job!
Make as many you.
No.
Wow.
There is one in the bed, and the baby said, "What is that?
Oh.
I am scared." So one got in, and now there's two. There's two in the bed, there's two in the bed, there's two in the bed. The more the
Winks.
better. There were two in the bed,
Lights.
and the baby said, "What is that?"
Angry.
I am scared.
Sadness.
One got in,
Great!
one got
Oh. Hmm.
Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Four, 5. Ew!
brush my teeth. Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you, and your brown smile to me.